welcome back to Rod Doing Stuff. Today we have a beef choice cross rib roast that we're going to cook on the smoker. I cooked one of these a few weeks ago and it was really good, so we're going to do it again. It's in two pieces here. It's what? How many pounds is this? Almost 4 pounds. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to trim off any of this excess fat. It doesn't have a lot on it, but there is some. This is hard stuff that you don't want to eat. Just get under there, trim that off. Okay, so that should be about all we need to trim off of there. Maybe a little bit over here on this side. It looks pretty good. So now we just got to season this thing up. Okay guys, so we got our cross rib roast here. We're going to season it today with some garlic pepper. This is it has red bell pepper and black pepper in it. And then on the label on the back it also says it has a little bit of salt. Then we're also going to put some of this Montreal steak seasoning on it. I like the Montreal steak seasoning because it gives it a good texture. So I've already put some of this on this one. I didn't get the ends yet. I'm going to finish those up and then we'll season the other one. I just put a kind of a light coating of it on there because we're going to put that Montreal steak seasoning on there, and it's got quite a bit of salt in it too. Just like so. We'll take our steak seasoning. Get both sides. Just like so. And we'll season this other one up and we'll go put them on the smoker. Okay guys, so we're out here at the smoker. We've got it turned up to 265, anywhere between 225 and 275 is good. Just chose 265 for no particular reason. We're going to put these down here away from our heat source. Get that smoke on them. We're going to put our temperature probe in them. We're shooting for a temperature. We're gonna hit around 130, 135, maybe 140, just depending on where we want it done at. Probably 135 to 140, so it's a medium well. But we'll be back with you in a few minutes. Okay guys, so these things have been on here for about an hour and a half. They're right at about 135 degrees. So we're going to pull these off. Pull these out. I'm going to pull them off and then I'm going to get this grill ready to cover them here real quick. I want to sear the outside of them. Put a reverse sear on them. So I'm going to get this grill ready. There again, that's one thing that I really like about this grill. Option to reverse sear. So you just slide this over like so. Put your grate back on there. I've showed this in some of my other videos. Then we'll just turn the temperature up to about 450, 500 degrees, let it warm up, Then we'll come back and sear these. Okay, so we're going to sear these things. I've got this thing heated up to 450 degrees. Just going to throw them on here. Put them on each side for a few seconds. Crisp up that outside. Probably about 30 to 50 seconds on each side. It doesn't have to be exact, and then we'll flip them over. We're going to flip these things over. Get some char over on the other side here. Oh yeah, that's looking good. About right. We'll let them go for a couple more seconds on this side, and then we'll be ready to pull them off and let them rest. Oh yeah, those are looking good. Yeah, that crusted up nice. Okay, we're going to let these things rest for about 20-30 minutes. Then we'll slice them up and have a taste of them. Okay, so these have been resting for about 20-30 minutes. Now one thing I do, now I didn't show this earlier, but see how I've cut this corner off and I've cut this corner off so I can see which way the grain's going easier after it's already been cooked. Because you want to cut it against the grain. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that smoke ring on there. Let's try that out. Oh yeah, that's really good. You need to try this. One of the best ways to have that. So if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and a like, and we're going to go eat some good beef.